Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Mazda CX-5 cabin air filter. This simple maintenance task significantly improves the air quality inside your vehicle, removing dust, pollen, and other allergens. A clean filter also helps your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system operate more efficiently. You should aim to replace this filter approximately every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or about once a year, depending on your driving conditions. To begin, you will need to access the cabin air filter, which is conveniently located behind the glove compartment in your Mazda CX-5. First, open the glove box and remove all its contents to give yourself ample working space. Next, gently press inward on both sides of the glove box to disengage the plastic stops, allowing it to swing down further. This action will reveal the filter housing cover. Once the glove box is lowered, you will see a rectangular plastic housing cover, which protects the cabin air filter. This cover is typically held in place by two small clips, one on each side. Gently unclip these fasteners and pull the cover straight off. Now, carefully slide the old filter out of its slot. Pay close attention to the airflow direction arrow printed on the filter. This is crucial for correct installation of the new one. With the old filter removed, take your new cabin air filter and ensure the airflow arrow points in the same direction as the old one, usually downwards. Carefully slide the new filter into the housing until it is fully seated. Reattach the plastic housing cover, making sure the two clips snap firmly into place. Finally, push the glove box back up until its side stops re-engage, and you are all done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.